I see trees of green. I see trees of green. Hello, everybody. It's World Music Day today, and I was wanting to sing an English song at the end of the program, and hence I was practicing. And me being an Indian classical music exponent, I'm finding it quite a task to sing a simple English song. I just hope I make it to the end of the program tonight. Anyway, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, parents, very respected teachers, and all my very, very dear students. Let me first start by wishing all of you a very, very happy World Music Day. The Music Village is a community of learners. In here, we like to encourage all the students to dabble with all forms of music. I am so happy and proud today to present before you a nicely and beautifully curated program by the senior kids section of our school and a few others too. I just hope you like this program. Give them lots of love, lots of appreciation. Keep the likes and keep the comments flowing so that they are encouraged. They have really worked very hard for it. Before we start, really, I would like to thank a few people who are part of the Music Village family. Most importantly, Darab sir, who has helped us with technically putting in all the music together. We would like to thank Ritesh sir for collaging all the videos for us, and that's a lot of hard work put in behind this program, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure all of you will really like it. Let me now call upon our hosts for the evening, Sandeep and his beautiful daughter Ibani. Over to you, Sandeep and Ibani. Take the show forward. Enjoy, people.
You know what? Today is World Music Day. It is a day to celebrate and honor the amateur and professional musicians alike.
Throughout the world, public concerts are organized, and with this spirit, we at the Music Village have organized the concert. Forced by the pandemic, it is online.
Do you even need to say that? We are online.
But do you know when and how it was started?
Yes. In 1982, the World Music Day was founded by France's Minister of Culture, Jacques Lang, and Maurice Florey, a French composer and music journalist. Another interesting fact is that it is celebrated on the day of summer solstice. Today is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere.
Oh, I didn't knew that, Ivani. So without getting into more details and discussing what and why of World Music Day, let's jump to the performances. Today, our performers are singing a variety of songs. True to the spirit of World Music Day, they are singing them in different languages. And to start the program, we have a bubbly young star who loves music and is good at comparing too. She's going to sing a medley of some amazing songs. Set the pace, Ashia.
They're some of my favorites.
Hello everyone, I'm Arshat Rehan and wishing you all a very melodious World Music Day. I hope you all enjoy this medley of songs from 1970s till date.
Raindrops and roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so sad. goes high, 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 ho. When you put them high, side by side, high, high, ho. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly, holiday. What a world of fun for everyone. Holly, holiday. Hooray, hooray, it's a holly, holiday. Sing the summer song, skip along. Holly, holiday. It's a holly, holiday. It's a holly, holiday. It's a holly, holiday. You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it. You got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh. If you fall, get up, hey, hey. Zamina, mina, zagalewa. Cause this is Africa. Zamina, mina, eh, waka, waka, hey, hey. Zamina, mina, zagalewa. This time for Africa. Oh, 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 oh. 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 Look how far you've come. You filled your heart with love. Baby, you've done enough. Take a deep breath. Don't beat yourself up. Don't need to run so fast. Sometimes we come last, but we did our best. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end, then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything, I wanna try even though I could fail. I keep on making those new mistakes. I keep on making them every day. Those new mistakes. Oh, 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 try everything. Oh, 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 try everything. Oh, 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 try everything. Oh, 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 try everything.
Wow, Ashriya, that was special. Moving on now, we have our next performer from Bangalore, our cute Marathi mulgi Avidhna. She is going to present a foot tapping Marathi song.
नमस्कार, माझा नाव अविघ्ना दुबे आहे. आज वर्ल्ड म्युझिक डे आहे. या निमित्ताने मी तुमच्या पुढे एक गाणं सादर करत आहे. धन्यवाद. घबराई माझी गाडाची गाडाची गा, आवळणी चंद्राची चंद्राची गा. घबराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची गा, अक्षराची इंद्राची इंद्राची गा. घोटाई चढ़ी शर्माती घबराती हो, पिया के घर इठलाती बरखाती हो. सुरमाई मैना शरकाती शरकाती हो, पिया के घर इठलाती सखिशाती हो. सितारे सारे चमकीले 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 रंगन में इसके बहारे बाजू हरियाली 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 नगराई माझी लाडाची ग आवडीने चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नगराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अक्षराची इंद्राची इंद्राची ग खुशियों के बाद रो खुशियों के बाद रो आंखों में इसकी इशारे बड़े नखरेले 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 सपनों के लाखों नजारे सारे हलवेले रंगीले रंगीले भराए चले शर्माती घबराती हो पिया के घर इठलाती बलखाती हो सुरमाए नैना छलकाती हो पिया के घर बरबाती सब जाती हो नवसाची ग अक्षराची चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नगराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अक्षराची इंद्राची इंद्राची ग
Thank you, Avigna. That was such a power-packed performance, and you looked so cute in that Marathi sari.
Moving from western part of India to the eastern part, we now have a very cute and loving Ridhima who is going to sing a very famous children's song in Assamese called Bilote Halise. It is amazing that 2 videos of this song have garnered more than 15 million hits in total on YouTube. Bring it on, Ridhima.
Ridhima Chita. Today I'm gonna sing the song called Bilote Halise Dinnavan. This is from the state Assam. बिलोते हालिसे दुनिया को दुनी बिलोनी फूली से बिलोते हालिसे दुनिया को दुनी बिलोनी फूली से फूले फूले खिला उड़ी से आई से डोरे फूले फूले खिला उड़ी से हनी से नूरे बिलोते हनी से दुनिया वो दुनी बिलोनी फूली से सारे डालों पे गाड़ी से खुले दरांगीचे सुरीते गाससी झिरी 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 कोय विज्ञान बनाने ते कहते थे सराय विज्ञान बनाने ते कहते थे सराय उबुरे मरी से दिलते हनी से दुनिया बोलोनी दिलोनी फूली से दिलते हनी से दुनिया बोलोनी दिलोनी फूली से Thank you for watching my video.
That was awesome. You sang so well in Assamese. Your song reminded me of my childhood and the games we used to play. Thanks Ridhima for rekindling that childhood. Ivani, over the years K-pop has become very popular.
Oh, you know about K-pop?
Yes, like Gangnam Style.
Nah, that's long gone. BTS is what's popular today. So our next performer, Ashrita, who besides singing has keen interest in writing and arts and is going to sing a popular BTS song Dynamite.
ডায়নামাইট গানটা একটা কোরিয়ান বয় ব্যান্ড বিটিএস গেয়েছে। এই গানটার উদ্দেশ্য হলো শ্রোতাদের নতুন যুগের গান দেওয়া। এই গানটা সামান্য জিনিসের আনন্দ আর প্রশংসা করা শেখায়।
Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, get the mood, couple minutes, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling out like Rolling Stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the dome. Ding dong, call me on my phone, I stay in the game of pinball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Oh, I'm ready, woo-hoo. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beat to jingle like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow up. So let's go. Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shine into the city with a little something soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Oh, bring friends, join the crowd, wanna come along. Word up, top the top, just move like we up the wall. Day and night, skies are light, so we dance to the break of dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Woman ready, woo-hoo. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beat jingle like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow up. So let's go. Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shine into the city with a little sunken soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shine into the city with a little sunken soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Oh, da-na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Light it up, dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. 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 Light it up, dynamite. Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shine into the city with a little something soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. This is us. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shine into the city with a little something soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Oh, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shine into the city with a little something soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa.
What a catchy song, Ashrita. When you were on screen, I was dancing.
You heard the daughter. Now you hear her mother Tuhina, who is a teacher par excellence and an integral part of the Music Village family. She is singing in Bangla, and it was a song which was adopted in a Hindi movie as well. Can you guess?
No, but let us listen to the song.
আমার স্বপ্ন তুমি ওগো চিরদিনের সাথী আমার স্বপ্ন তুমি ওগো চিরদিনের সাথী তুমি সূর্য ওঠা ভোর আমার আর তারাই ভরা রাতি सारा प्यार तुम्हारा मैंने बांध दिया है आंचल में देख के तेरी सूरत मिट जाती है एक ही पल में जीवन की हर थकन सपनों की तुम मूरत तुमको पाकर सफल हुआ है मेरा ये जीवन देख के तेरी सूरत मिट जाती है एक ही पल में जीवन की हर थकन सपनों की तुम मूरत तुमको पाकर सफल हुआ है मेरा ये जीवन सपनों की तुम मूरत चमकी मेरी किस्मत की रेखा इन नैनों के आंगन में আমার স্বপ্ন তুমি ওগো চিরদিনের সাথী हम और पास आएंगे हमें और पास कोई लाएगा दुनिया को नजर आएंगे हम जब जब वो मुस्कुराएगा हम और पास आएंगे हमें और पास कोई लाएगा दुनिया को नजर आएंगे हम जब जब वो मुस्कुराएगा आई ऐसी बेला एक पल को भी मुझे अकेला छोड़ना देना तुम आई ऐसी बेला पास ही रहना तो मत जाना दुनिया के हलचल में আমার স্বপ্ন তুমি ওগো চিরদিনের সাথী हम देखा करेंगे पल पल में सारा प्यार तुम्हारा मैंने बांध दिया है आंचल में
That was so wonderful, Tuhina. It was really blissful to hear that song from you. And great going, Ibani and Sandeep. Well, I'm here now to just talk a little about our keyboard classes. We have recently started our kids section for keyboard classes, and we have some really cute talents going on at the moment in the form of Kabir, who does classes from Bangalore, and we have Uday from Gurgaon, and we have Arshia from Delhi, and they are being really ably trained by the very talented Pratik sir. Pratik sir is a freelance musician and is an extremely talented performer as well. Apart from all this, he is also a brilliant teacher who is very friendly by nature and is extremely good with the kids. I am very happy, and on behalf of Music Village, we actually thank Pratik sir for joining us as the new keyboard teacher for us.
I'm going to show you what I learned on piano.
So now I play C major. I'm gonna play Happy Birthday.
And our next performer, Dr. Nupur, is going to sing a Rajasthani song for us. She is a passionate music lover.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nupur Jain and I'm super excited to be a part of this year's International Music Festival.
Thank you, Dr. Nupur. You took us to Rajasthan literally. So, Imani, it's quiz time. You know which Spanish word is very popular among pizza and salad lovers?
I know, it's jalapeno.
Oh, you got it right, Idbani.
Our next performer, Señorita Tiara, bringing us a popular foot tapping song, Señorita, in her sweet voice.
Hola, me llamo Tiara, and I'm going to sing a song called Señorita. ¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde he estado? El único cielo eterno, pobre, ella es hoy, tan de repente, y te siento toda mi vida con tu pelo. No मैं समझा, ना मैं जाना, जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेñorita, अगर फिर भी जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita. No debías la mirada, guardaste esta नहीं, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, पूरे हम होता गम है क्या señorita, no señorita, que हम क्या más podré resultar en sentido de las palabras con emitidas, pero el olor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más feliz señorita. निगाहों से कई अरमानों की दस्तान है señorita, इस दुनिया में सुबह है señorita, मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में भी कम है क्या, तो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, पूरे हम होता गम है क्या señorita, no señorita, कहते हैं हम क्या. जो भी पल बीता है señorita, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है, ये इसका mirada, गुड्डा से चलता नहीं, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita, चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में भी कम है क्या, तो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता गम है क्या señorita, तो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में भी कम है क्या, तो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता गम है क्या señorita, no señorita, कहते हैं हम क्या.
Wow, Tiara, your performance was spicier than a jalapeno. You know, now we have talented Samhita from Bangalore singing Trainwreck, originally sung by James Arthur.
Laying the silence, waiting for the silence, signs, any signs, I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? To myself, to God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsee these broken words, find hope in the hopeless, pull me up, shame me, unburn the ashes. ain't that bad, but we still gotta sunshine. Home, still at home, yeah. It's not too late to build it back, 'cause the one in a million chance is still a chance, and I will take those odds. Unbreak the broken, unsee these broken hearts, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out, dreamer, undo the essence, unchain the reactions. I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out, dreamer, pull me out, You can say what you like, 'cause I wouldn't die for me. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a savior who can unbreak the broken, unsave these hopeless words, find hope in the hopeless. Pull me out, undo the essence, unseen the reactions. I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out, 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 pull me out.
That was incredible, Samhita. Now you answer my questions. Do you know which is a French word that most of us know but don't pronounce correctly?
I think it is something to do with eating. Is it croissant?
Oh no, it's pronounced as croissant.
I don't get it, but our next performer knows the language. Here comes sweet and chirpy Ashya singing a French song.
Je suis là, dis-moi pourquoi je suis là. Et je marche doucement de la sagesse dans ma gloire. Je vis là pour la gloire, la marche là. Et j'ai mal, j'ai un rêve de souffler avec de ça, mon sang des Je dis non, encore plus belle. Si je fais le frère, c'est belle. Tu m'as dit toutes ces lumières, cette nuit de ton dunia, ma boy, the boy, for the time to faire moi j'y crois. Tonight, tout ça qui arrive, ça fait réalité. Je vais comme je vécu, et ça lui va tomber. Il y a de gagner, il y a de ma vie. Pas de yann, comme une que ça qui salve, c'est belle de ce décal. Je fais vivre la vie, comme des pareils de l'étoile. Pas de moi, je joue, je suis quelque part. Pas de moi, je tombe, non, je fais que regarder. Oh, pas de moi, je ne te fais, je ne te pardonner. Et chaque chemin qui s'enlèvera, aux choses qui composent ce sont d'exister. Suffit de négocier et m'accaber. Variaten manzaren masua ke kote. The dawn is losing.
Bonjour, Ashriya. Say itere Sinjoti.
What was that?
Nice singing, Ashriya. That was so nice. So, our next performer, Risha, is going to present a beautiful patriotic song, Ekla Chalo, written by Guru Rabindranath Tagore.
আমি গানটি শুনতে খুব আগ্রহী।
Hello everyone, happy International Music Day. Today I'm going to be singing a Bengali song, Ekla Chalo Re, which I learned under the guidance of Pagori. Let's start.
Adding to the variety of language we are listening to, here comes hard-working performer Maitri from Pune singing in Kannada.
Namaskara, Nanna Hesaru Maitri. Today I am going to sing a Kannada song by Purandara Dasa, originally sung by Vasu Dikshit.
ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ 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 ಯೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ನೀವು ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನದಾನವ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಛತ್ರವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನದಾನವ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಛತ್ರವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಯವಾತೆಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ಅನುದಿನ ಭಜನೆ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಯವಾತೆಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ಅನುದಿನ ಭಜನೆ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಮಾತಾಪಿತರನ್ನು ಸೇವಿತರಾಗಿ ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮವ ಬಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಪಿತರನ್ನು ಸೇವಿತರಾಗಿ ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮವ ಬಿಟ್ಟವರಾಗಿ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಾಳನ್ನು ಬಾಳುವರಾಗಿ ನೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಖ್ಯಾತರಾಗಿ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಾಳನ್ನು ಬಾಳುವರಾಗಿ ನೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಖ್ಯಾತರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಕ್ರೋಧವ ಅಳಿದವರಾಗಿ ನೇಮ ನಿತ್ಯವ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ಕಾಮಕ್ರೋಧವ ಅಳಿದವರಾಗಿ ನೇಮ ನಿತ್ಯವ ಮಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಮನಾಮವ ಜಪಿಸುವರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಮನಾಮವ ಜಪಿಸುವರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಗುರುತಿಗೆ ಬಾಹೋರಂಭವರಾಗಿ ಸಿರಿರಮಣದ ದಿನ ನೆನೆಯುವರಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಗೆ ಬಾಹೋರಂಭವರಾಗಿ ಕರೆದರೆ ಭವವನ್ನು ನೀಗುವರಾಗಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸೇವಿಪರಾಗಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ವಿಠಲ ವಿಠಲನ ಸೇವಿತರಾಗಿ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಯೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭೋಗ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿ ನೀವು ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಗಿ ತಂದೀರಾ
Thank you and a happy World Music Day to all.
That was remarkable medley. I wish I knew that language. That was so melodious.
Our next performers, Arna and Rashmi, are going to sing a medley of songs in 3 languages: Tamil, Malayalam and Hindi.
Arna is very cheerful and talented. She has her own YouTube channel and a Facebook page that promotes her art. Her mother Rashmi has a unique baritone voice.
वणक्कम,
नमस्कार, हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
मेरा नाम रश्मि है।
मेरा नाम आना है
और आज हम आपके सामने हिंदी, तमिल और मलयाली इन 3 भाषाओं को मिक्स करके 2 बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स को जोड़कर एक सुंदर सा गाना प्रस्तुत करेंगे एंड वी बोथ होप कि आपको ये बहुत पसंद आएगा।
చిన్న చిన్న ఆశై సిరుగడికు మాసై ముత్తు ముత్తు ఆశై మురింద విట ఆశై வெண்ணிலவ தொட்ட முத்தமிழ ஆசை என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை
दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चलिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया
చిన్న చిన్న ఆశై సిరుగడికు మాసై ముత్తు ముత్తు ఆశై మురింద విట ఆశై
कुंजी तंजी कुंजी क्यों मंचली मुत्तल जिंदी क्यों मंचली वरना चंदली वावे तांगने नका तगलिया तुम दंगली वावे हाय कुंजी तंजी कुंजी क्यों मंचली मुत्तल जिंदी क्यों मंचली वरना चंदली वावे तांगने नका तगलिया तुम दंगली वावे तंग कुल सल्ले कुलम कोई लल्ले मारन मई लल्ले हाय तंग कुल सल्ले कुलम कोई लल्ले मारन मई लल्ले
जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सखीरी जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सखीरी जिया जले जा जले। देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में चुभती है नजर, देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में चुभती है नजर, होठ सिल जाते उनके नर्म होठों से, मगर गिनती रहती हूँ मैं अपनी करवटों के सिलसिले। क्या करूँ कैसे कहूँ रात कब कैसे ढले, जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले, धुआं चले धुआं चले, रात भर धुआं चले, जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना सकीरी, जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले, धुआं चले धुआं चले, रात भर धुआं चले, जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना सकीरी, जिया जले जा जले।
Thanks Anna and Rashmi, that was melodious. You made a great duo. Now comes our special pair of Music Village's mentor Papori Harsh and her daughter Kia, singing Sham Kanu, a very popular Assamese lullaby. They will also sing an English song, Two Ghosts, sung by Harry Styles. Kia has recently become a part of the Music Village and her mother Papori is a professional Indian classical vocalist.
Happy International Music Day everyone, I'm here Harshita, and today me along with my mother have sang a medley of songs which are about nostalgia, and we also went ahead and made a music video for you guys. I hope you enjoy.
Same red shirt, a couple more tattoos. It's not you and it's not me. Say so sweet, look so real. Sounds like something that I used to feel, but I can't touch what I see. We're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be. We're just two ghosts standing in the place of you and me, trying to remember how it feels to have a heart.
शाम का दूर ना जावा, खून और बाही गोढ़ाई दी, घरोते बो जावा। शाम का दूर ना जावा, खून और बाही गोढ़ाई दी, घरोते बो जावा।
Light washes this room white, moon dances over your good side. This was all we used to need. Tongue-tied like I never known, telling those stories we already told. 'Cause we don't say what we really mean. We're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be. We're just two ghosts standing in the place of you and me. We're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be. We're just two ghosts swimming in a glass half empty, trying to remember how it feels to have a heart.
शाम का दूर ना जावा, खून और बाही गोढ़ाई दी, घरोते बो जावा।
We're not who we used to
trying to remember how it feels to have a heartbeat.
Wow, Hia, that was a power-packed performance. And Papari, though I couldn't get a word of lullaby, but it reminded me of my mother's singing when I was young.
Let us now meet Miss Queen Hazarika, who is an extremely talented singer and Western vocals teacher at Music Village. Queen Hazarika is the lead singer of her band and is also a playback singer in the Northeast film industry. She is regularly featured in television and OTT channels like Netflix and Disney.
Hello everyone, this is Queen Hazarika, your vocal coach from Guwahati. I wish all of you a happy World Music Day. Keep singing.
খোঁজে নীলি মোর দিগন্ত পক্ষী হই নাচিব খোঁজে তালে তালে দেহর প্ৰতিটো অঙ্গ যাকে যাকে দিগন্তলে একেলগে নুপুৰৰ খবৰে আজি তেজে তেজে বিজুলী ঢৌ খেলিছে হাততি স্বৰে নীলি গানে গানে কিনো খুৰ বান্ধিছে যাকে যাকে দিগন্তলে একেলগে
সময়ৰ সতে খুজে খুজে খুজ মিলাব খুজো মনৰ দৰে দ্ৰুত গতি লৈ আমি আগবাঢ়ো কঁপি উঠে ইয়াৰ দুটি পাত জ্বলি উঠে আবেগৰ জোৱাৰ অভিলাষী মনে যে চুব খোজে নীলি মোৰ দিগন্ত উঠি হৈ নাচিব খোজে তালে তালে দেহৰ প্ৰতিটো অংগ পাখি লাগি উৰা মাৰে যাকে যাকে দিগন্তলে একেলগে
Wow, it was beautiful. I'm speechless.
Now let's meet the force behind the Music Village, Papuri Harshita.
Hello everybody once again. I finally finished my song and I've also put in a small video for all of you which you're going to see now, and I just hope you like it. From this experience, I would like to tell everybody that in order to have a deep appreciation of any other form of music, the first thing you need to do is try to sing that form of music, and you will understand how difficult it is or what are the intricacies that goes on in another genre that you're trying to learn or another language that you're trying to get into. If you don't try out a song, it's very unlikely that you would know what goes on into various kinds of music on this world. And that is the reason why I always like to encourage students to go ahead and try out different forms of music. Not that we want everyone to be an expert in every form, but a deeper appreciation of all kinds of music is extremely important in the growth of a true art. So there you go, I present before you my English song presentation for the evening today, Wonderful World, and I dedicate this to the entire Music Village fraternity. Lots of love, and again, on behalf of the entire fraternity, I would like to wish all of you a very happy World Music Day. Just keep singing.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I wish this string of musical melodies goes on forever. But that brings us to the close of today's program. You all have been such a lovely audience.
And what a talented bunch of singers. It was indeed a pleasure listening to you all. We hope to meet you all in person when time permits and enjoy these melodies being performed live. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep adding music to your life. Thank you.